Big up Crosses TV.
You catch someone, you know? Little girl, don't go over the disrespect line. Go and buy a bathing rag and a soap. I can bring the bad pan.
This step on me to the right way, I'm sure, you know. Can me eat all the girls them although I'm watch everything on internet. Number one, I gotta start my mind. The internet is very, very, very biased. I'm watch it every day, all the internet bias bad. The internet is biased bad, 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 bad. That's why I could never respect someone when the real man would pick me and pussy. Yeah, cause I'm very biased. I'm watch it every day. And on a very soon I get some fabricated story feed to no and a blood clots that them give no a coconut them bust now no than a pill that them give no my love cause I get some story every day round and round and round the globe. I wanna buy it and still cheer. That fish one say on slow too. On a slow on a blood clot. That's why me could never want the pan Funo team because Funo team are done steam na blood clot. On a real man me attack on a very slow. Cause some story me see come two now no put one and two together and fix it together and no say alright from wrong this side that not make no sense I done add up, you understand? That's why I could never do a Funo camp and do no to my love. Sorry. I'm not gonna do it. Me? Not gonna do it. It's not the internet, it's the people who keeping it. And 99% of what take place all the time is always the comments start it. Because once you cheer on people and the numbers them start go up, it always comes down to that. You understand? But at the end of the day, I just always say it. Some people just slow. I actually want to saw you message. If you want to choose plan this side, just say it. Don't be shady. Man, I said what was work job and me not even a black here. First thing first, bitch. Me never call nobody name over here for your blood clot. Come comment about who. And at the end of the day, if you don't want to talk about a blind situation, a blind, if somebody say blind, chat me a man, I know say it's true because that's a blind stay. So I just say you go wrong now, you're just enough. We know so I just a blind stay. Me not busy about that. Me talk about all the different situation. All them nasty together. All them nasty together. The truth is just the truth. We have a friend them I will know them stay. At the end of the day, acceptance is key to blood clot life. Clear someone whenever they have the rule book for know what is what. Acceptance is key. I know how blind is and so blind is keep it moving. I never care about that or whatever was said. Girl. At the end of the day, and if you don't want to say something to me, you come over here so we don't write for blood clot page. Because remember, say when every girl is back, me not back down from nobody at time. I mean quiet and everything, but me not run. I mean, now do the media yap. We are put it on. Okay. Anyways, keep it moving. It been comment. Me no say it been comment. I always. You see why me not like it's summertime? Summer everything crawl through the window them and come in your place sometimes. Cause me don't know which part that crawl from or which book them cut that out for that reach over here up on my blood clot page. I comment a while ago. Yeah. I wonder what me I wear this weekend. That me want know. Them enough. Always the comment section cast all them fuckery with people and people for them that all sort of fuckery and all sort of situations and one for something because them is very enough and carry go bring come. It's regular. Me a browse you want to live I go on and sit over there so I comment this but by the time the next person click them live, them see one come over there come in a different situation upon them I say this over here so them and 99% of the time it far from go so I wanna really make people drown out and put in us on notice spot. Cute. Want me Chrissy? Yeah, head out. Massa. Masha the dog, me a talk about you about if me head out. Me a talk about the dog I'm going for buy. Hey, 3 grand dog. Bigfoot pluggy and a place. Alright now, you're there for so too long. Yeah man, go on. Yeah man, go on. Do you trying to teach some of us? Yeah. Alright, so I'm sorry, I'm really inactive on Instagram. Like, I'm really inactive because sometimes you have to take a step back with your life. You know? I mean, self-time is very important. And I think, the other day, I do too much business and too much stuff for me to do all over the place. And I just want to do things right. So that's the reason why I was off the internet for a bit. Because I reconstruct my life. I work on all heap of stuff. And yeah, but me I get myself ready. I buy a new phone. But I get myself ready for come back again bigger and better. Like this time everything will come and things are better like